There were so many beautiful looks at Met Gala 2024 and I am going to show you how to recreate this stunning Alia Bhatt's look. Starting up strong with a glowy base, I am using Milani Bright Side Illuminating Primer. It brightens and hydrates your skin for that fresh dewy look, which is precisely we are going for today. My skin is not as flawless as Alia Bhatt, so I am going to use a peach corrector from K Beauty to correct my acne marks and blend it properly. Alia Bhatt always go for her signature dewy glowy look, for which I am using Smashbox Halo Tinted Moisturizer in the shade Neutral, and you can see how beautifully and effortlessly it blends into my skin. Alia Bhatt base makeup was very light, that means she skipped foundation and opted for skin tint, which gives radiant natural looking glow. Now let's add some dimension. I am using Fenty Beauty Contour Stick in shade Mocha. I will use this on hollow of my cheeks, jawline, forehead and nose. Next I am using Clinique Even Better Concealer in the shade Oat to highlight my face, and a liquid blush Pinkasm from Charlotte Tilbury. I am going to blend everything off camera so that you don't waste your time watching me blend. Once I have blended everything out, I am going to set this with Laura Mercier translucent powder. Very lightly I am setting my face, especially the area where I generally sweat, that is my under eye and around the mouth. We are not setting the entire face, so we are going to lock this in so that the makeup does not move, for which I am using MAC Prep Plus Prime Setting Spray. Her brows always look soft and natural and less filled in, so first I will start with Benefit Cosmetics Brow Gel to set my brow and to have that feathery look, and then by using MAC Cosmetic Micro Brow Pencil, I will fill only the spar areas. Her eye makeup was also very soft, so for that I will be using two shades from Huda Beauty Nude Palette. First I will take the shade Raw and will define my crease line, and second will take the shade Tickle and apply on the entire eyelid. And then she had a soft smoked out wing liner, so from Huda Beauty Rose Gold Palette I will mix two shades, a deeper brown and a black. And I am going to pull a small wing and line my lash line. Then I will take the shade Sand and lightly smoke out on my lower lashes. For mascara, I am using one of my favorite Milani Anti-Gravity Mascara, and I am going to apply a good coat of mascara on my top lashes and lightly go over my bottom lashes. She had a good amount of blush, so I am going to use something which is bright and nice. This is Orgasm X from NARS. The way she had applied is from the apple of the cheeks, taking all the way to the temples. Next, of course, we could not do without a highlighter when we are doing a look like this when it comes to Alia Bhatt. Here I am using Smashbox Becca highlighter. This is not a super bright highlighter, but it gives you your skin but just a dewy glowy version of your skin. So it's not going to look chunky in your face. And for the peachy nude lip, I am going to mix two shades, one from Inside Cosmetic Toffee Cream and other from Parul Garg Liquid Lipstick shade Iris. And here I got the exact match. And to keep my makeup in place, once again I will go with MAC Prep and Prime Setting Spray, and that concludes the makeup part. For hair, I will make a loose bun at back and then I start pulling some strand to curl it. For headpieces and jewelry, she had two different necklaces, and I made this headband with my necklace and earring and secured this with bobby pin. And here is the completed look. I love to hear your thoughts on both Met Gala look as well as this look. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If yes, then don't forget to hit the like button, and in case you are new here, please consider subscribing. I love you guys so much, and I will see you very soon with a brand new one. Till then, live happily and stay beautiful.